Ecchymosis or skin discoloration due to internal bleeding. My name is Shafiqullah. My seat number is 1650-203. My group number is 46. Pharmacy practice submitted to Mem Shana. What is ecchymosis? Ecchymosis is a medical condition in which dark purple spot form on the skin due to leakage of blood from the blood vessels underneath the skin. It usually forms due to injury and it is half an inch long. One bruise or two bruises on arms or leg is usually nothing to worry about. Bruise on your belly, back, or face with no obvious cause or many new bruises are reasons to see your doctor. Causes. Ecchymosis can be caused by a traumatic incident such as being hit with a subject or falling on hard surface. Certain medical conditions such as cancer or blood clotting disorder may cause ecchymosis. If the body lacks vitamin K or vitamin C, an individual is at risk of experiencing ecchymosis. Ecchymosis may be caused by blood leakage into the tissues due to disordered cell function or due to trauma, while a bruise or hematoma is defined as caused by trauma. Symptoms. The most defined sign and symptom of ecchymosis is a moderate to large portion of lead but discolored skin. Additional symptoms may include pain, increased sensitivity, and swelling. Someone with ecchymosis may also experience symptoms of pain and swelling elsewhere in the body as a result of an injury such as fall. Diagnosis. Ecchymosis is diagnosed primarily through a physical examination during which a doctor assesses the area of discolored skin. Doctor will examine your skin and the bruises. Expect to answer questions about your oral health, what medicines you take, whether anyone in your family has a bleeding or clotting disorder, what you are doing when the bruise appeared. A blood test can help to find the cause of ecchymosis. Tests can find abnormal blood cells or too few of the platelets that normally help blood clot. You may need to have other tests if your doctor suspects that liver disease, cancer, or another condition caused your bruises. Treatment. If a minor injury like a bump caused your ecchymosis, the mark should clear up within a few weeks or two. Hold eyes to the bruise a few times a day for the first day or two. If your bruising is due to age, your doctor may suggest that you avoid medicines like NSAIDs that could make you bleed more easily. Which treatment you might need depends on the cause of your bruises. Your doctor has medicine for liver and kidney disease, HIV and cancer. If a drug causes ecchymosis, you may need to stop taking it or change medicines. Taking supplements can correct a vitamin deficiency. If you bleed a lot, you may need to get fluids through a vein or a blood transfusion. Platelet transfusion treat a low platelet count. When to see your doctor? A bruise that poops up from time to time or after you have injured yourself is no reason to worry. But see a doctor if you have several bruises with no obvious cause. A bruise that does not go away in a week or two. A possible injury like a broken bone that caused the bruise. Bleeding that does not help after a few minutes. Signs of too much blood loss, such as weakness, dizziness, nausea, or extreme thirst. Also call your doctor if you have recently had injury or gave birth and you notice bruises or bleeding. Case study. A 20-year-old Patient is brought to the hospital for having many bruises on his body and the patient has no history of trauma or injury. All the tests of the patients were normal except for the patient CBC test where the platelets count was less than 1 lakh 50,000. It means that the patient has thrombocytopenia. The pharmacological management include prednisone 2 milligram per kg per day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.